race arterial.
Oh.
What do you mean? Ours isn't here. He is winning because he cheated. It's not here yet. I think it's pretty safe to say Nathan's gonna win.
Yep.
I'm winning. Now, I don't want to say greatest athlete of all time, but I should be a machine. Where you boys at? Yeah, I did.
So it's our first real day in Prague. It's just absolutely beautiful.
No, it's absolutely stunning.
Stunning. It's a stunning day.
That's how Thomas Heaton would say it.
We're heading down to the tram. Where's our first stop?
It could be Novi Svet, or it could be the Prague Castle.
We're going to a castle, so that's cool.
We stumbled upon an accidental masterclass of nature. Wow, there's big fishies in there. You can't see them, but yeah, you can, I guess, over there. Had to kill one.
Those fish are huge.
Why? Here we have Benefa Columbus leading us through the Prague Gardens. My word. Where is his compass? Couldn't remember the other word. Or what other things? What other is another word for fancy navigation tool?
We don't really know where we are, but we're
really
in a
cool
garden somewhere in Prague. It's really nice. We're in line for the Prague Castle.
Line's a loose term. We're supposed to meet somebody.
My name Costa. No Costa Brava, no Costa Rica. Constantine. It's very easy. Yes.
So here we have St. Vitus's Cathedral and a heck of a lot of people. Very magnificent structure, very immense, you could say. We're gonna walk around. There's too many people here for my liking. I'm struggling with the immenseness of this structure. It's hard to capture it in photos, so videos will have to suffice. Look at that magnificent golden plated structure. You know, if you asked me 2 months ago if I'd be in Prague with Ben Keefe, I probably would have said, yeah, that makes sense, because we'd booked the trip at that point. But, stop number 1, Old Royal Palace. Time for number 5. We were promised cannonballs, and there's the cannonball. There's 3 more up there too, wow. Cannonballs, 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 cannonballs. Not cannibals, cannonballs. Time to head right on back to the majestic Prague Castle. This is number 3, St. George's Basilica. Alright, let's get in line. Jeepers, there's a lot of people still. Beautiful stained glass, so we're gonna have to get some shots of that. So this immense structure is made out of around 3,000 kilograms of silver and is very old. Underrated, very underrated. Now to spend some time in the jardin. So the garden was a bust. We're looking for Lennon's Wall right now. We've stalked a bridge which has a lot of locks, which was popularized by the one in Paris that was removed a couple of years ago. So, yeah, the John Lennon pub. We must be getting close. And here we are. A variety more locks, as you can see. Lots and lots of locks. But this is where the art is supposed to start.
Clock is gone. We came here to see the astronomical clock, and all we're getting is a screen. Okay. Sponsored by MasterCard. Proud to support the astronomical clock renovation. That's awesome. MasterCard. Sponsored by MasterCard. Oh my god. That was maybe the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm so disappointed.
Hey peeps, so day's pretty much over. We came back pretty much and just ate supper. Nothing too exciting, nothing you haven't seen before. Tomorrow we will have our episode of Kuna. No wait, we're not doing Kuna, that was Croy. Did Ben reveal it already? No, he didn't.
He might have.
I'll make sure that he did. Stay tuned tomorrow for our new episode of our Airbnb review. That's sure to be exciting. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Ben's... I don't know where Ben is. Ben is probably in a... Am I going back out there? Yes, as soon as I'm done with this. So. Ben is probably in a Prague jail right now. I'm very excited to go bail him out. It's going to be a long day tomorrow, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow can always be better. Hope to see you there. I'm going to say bye-bye because Ben's not here. Honey, can you do the wink? Thank you. Okay, bye guys.